To create a shortcut to message someone on your home screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, so you can send a message to that contact directly from your home screen. You have to add a direct message widget to your home screen and then assign the desired contact to the widget. To do so, on your home screen, long tap on an empty area to go to the home screen edit screen, and then tap widget. Scroll down the widget screen to find contacts. Tap contacts. Now tap and hold the direct message widget and then drag it to the desired position on your home screen. Release the widget to place it. And then select the desired contact you like to assign to the widget. With this widget, when you want to send a message to the selected contact, you just need to single tap the widget, write your message, and then you can send it. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.